No wonder that you've got the shamrock on your tie today as the playoffs ahead. But before we dive into the NBA, I want to dive into some of your investment hypothesis at the moment as we see record low volatility in the United States, as we're looking at stocks at record highs. What about private equity in the areas that you're looking at?
Well, first of all, prices are very high cyclically, and we know that. That's why Bain Capital, we have tried to really be disciplined in terms of the deals we do. And secondly, we're looking for what I'll call transformational opportunities. So, for example, 3 of the companies we have in the portfolio, we bought 2 companies at once and put them together to form a stronger, more strategic, larger company on a global scale. So globalization, putting companies together, looking at areas that we know very well. We're big into technology, into healthcare, industrial, consumer, and we've had great success with that strategy of being disciplined. The great thing about private equity is it's not the stock market. You don't mark to market on a daily basis. You can take a long-term approach, and we try to find companies where we can invest to bring out new products, where we can, again, find a way to take them global, and those are the opportunities we pursue. And those, in my view, are the only opportunities you can pursue in a market where prices are fairly high. Do
you think you're going to see opportunities sparked by these high prices, whether we see more M&A and maybe then selling off of certain units? Or, I mean, at these sorts of lofty prices, would we ever see more public companies becoming private again?
You know, it's definitely an issue. When you pay a premium and the prices are already high, it's very difficult to make the numbers work in terms of private equity. But the world is large, and again, I think there is a role for private equity in these transformations. So there are companies that have kind of lost their way and need a restart. There are companies that really need a different approach. There are companies where you really can transform by increasing the M&A process by taking them private. And so far, we've found plenty of those opportunities, and we've tried to be disciplined and try to do only the very best, and so far, that's been a great result.